Oh, hello guys! Welcome to our last few drives of 2025 as we close down to 2026 na. Oh, di ba? And we're here at Cebu IT Park and on this drive we will talk about New Year's resolutions or New Year's promises because 2026, we always want to start something new or a New Year's as an auspicious day because we wanna, we tell ourselves what we want to do in this coming year. We set new goals, we set different aspirations, or for some they call it New Year's resolution or popularly known as New Year's resolution. So mali ako mga na ron, what resolutions do you plan to make this coming new year? O, di ba? Pwede na new resolution. A lot of people will say they wanna i-resolve silang selves. They promise to, normally it's healthier lifestyle. They want to start something new. They want to have new mindset, new attitude, new goals. So kumana, ataning kung ano na lang nato is mag-self-proclaim taron sa itong resolutions. And I think for me, yes, 2026 should be a year devoted to, personal health. We're not getting any younger. 2026 is my golden year actually, so I'll turn 50 in 2026. So probably let's resolve to really, to commit to something to be able to, have a happy or enjoyable life for another 50 years, I guess. Of course, you can't predict, pero paano ba na? And I think the best thing we can do is probably take care of what God has given us, our bodies. And probably ang challenge ng good karon with a lot of distractions na Netflix, na mobile games, there's even porn, mga sports news, sports shows, easily accessible na ba? Ang challenge usahay for health is to sleep, to have enough sleep. Bakit kaya sa creator lisod kaya nasa, because we like to post at certain times, to edit, to after an event, di ba? Pero ganahan ko man nato i-comment una na probably i-adjust na kong schedule na to have really good sleep. To put sleep is like, a luxury, pero tagadong time na to make the body heal ba? As much as possible, sleep at a regular time. Let's say set the time na 10 o'clock, matulog na 9:30, whatever. It's mag-sleep na, let's say 10 p.m. na, and then maybe woke up around 6 or before 6, di ba? So sakto lang 8 hours, and mataling ko na it shouldn't be too rigid na everyday giniba na usahay. Basta 8 hours of sleep, let's say at least 5 times a week. O, di ba? Kaya usahay mo bilar ka, why not on weekend, pero sometimes wala pa sad, pero as much as possible tingali wala na itong i-resolve. And when it comes to food, tingali, so challenging as a food blogger, but I think less carbs probably, kung nalang tayo i-give up tingali sige, mga sugary drinks, which is really one of big causes na pag kusog na ilang negosyo ba. Well, my mom used to work in Coke, by the way, but kusog kaya ang negosyo yat, mauna yung main causes tingali sa mga sakit ba na siya kapadungan. Maybe bata ka din, not inom Coke or tamis, not necessarily Coke lang ha, mga juice, mga canned juices, or even ready to make juices, tasking sugar, well, those things usahay mo na mo yung tagka na kay kasog diabetes, kasog unsa even sa mga mo contribute mo na sa hypertension, sa mga sukar. So maybe mao ginatong i-cut down. Sometimes when you cut down ang rice, it's nice if you can do that, but minimize lang sa rice. Pero as much as possible, if I can give up mga sugary drinks, bisag Coke Zero din lang yung mga pirami, kasi maraming magpangita ng tamis kay wa may Coke Zero, sir, so you'll force yourself to say kuha na lang, regular na lang, di ba? So mauti yan na sa personal side ka na, and probably at least 1 hour of exercise, let's say 5 times a week, di ba? exercise bisa walking lang ba, swimming, walking, hiking, kung pwede mo dagan, pilog panran, why not? That's wala lang ba usahay na nasa routine ba na maybe weight training na it's important to why not, di ba? Sometimes when you magawahin na to start, it's not really starting, it's restarting. I mean, the moment you embrace that kind of mindset, kind of lifestyle, probably it will give you good good results, effects kung imo lang yung kumita na ba. It's always been a challenge for all of us, probably na because nakarig distraction, nakarig options on what to do, nakarig ko naon, di ba? Pwede dahil mga stressor sa kinabuhi, ang trabaho, ang panginabuhi, ang pangwarta, pero you have to give yourself some kuan sa gihapon ba kay atong puhunan is our body. So man, I think wala na atong commitment, our commitment on 2026 probably for me lang is in personal health, on our body, to make our body better, stronger. So usahay mo ito ganahan ta magtambal lang. Mas maayo nang way tambal yun ba nang wala maintenance. I mean, let your body heal on its own. Give your body the best shot of success, best shot of healing itself. Kaya usahay mo nga we parang nako na we don't trust our body. So say mangita na nagtambal rin so ba na, come to think of it, our body has a capability to regenerate, to restore, to heal ourselves. Naman tayo mga white blood cells, naman tayo mga ingana ba, naman tayo mga to fight off diseases, so, di ba? So di lang yun nato abusuhon kay usahay, di ba? Na gina mga mga autoimmune disease na ang ato ng body ni atake sa atong lawas, which is like example ng atong mga lupus, ganun, like even as simple as alopecia. Ka maka-turn right ka anytime. Di ba ka na ba yung ana? So girang nanikuan lang yun. You take care. So now we're here in Mango Avenue na, di ba? So later makita na to kung na ni bagong look ang Cebu City. So ang Mango wa pa rin yung mga banderitas, but later maybe at Jones Avenue na yung mga banderitas na ito makita na iniingo na ito, na inipalita na ito, diba? So na so that's our Christmas tree, and that's a symbol lang naman nag-holiday season pa ta, maning duag ang daan. Pero hopefully mga na akong ingon ninyo, diba? Make your own resolutions, kamo on sa inyong balak. What do you think should be your priorities this 2026? And hopefully ma-achieve na to together. Kato simple lang, maybe ako katulog sa body. When it comes to content creation naman sad, as much as possible din balik ko sa roots na we'll do more vlogs now na YouTube as well, to tell stories, to look for the people, na mga stories nila ang kanang video. To feature more local, to feature more content na kanang dili sponsored. So may na ganahan ako, nagimingaw na ko ana ba na kanang let's go back to the old days of vlogging, of creating content na organic lang, kanang imo lang hunahuna, not really to look out sa trends or just become make trends rather than follow the trends. So which is a challenge, pero mo lang na ako ingon na mao na. That's our solution, that's our promise, and hopefully we can keep it. So tinabangay lang yun, and let's keep on encouraging each other, di ba? And thank you so much for watching, guys. Masa na itong video karon. Let's end this trip here at Fuente. Jones. That's Jones. Taning BRT, wala human. So, mana. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.